In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Etsy profile picture. A clear, up-to-date photo helps shoppers recognize you and adds trust to your brand. So let's walk through the process from start to finish. First, open a web browser and search for Etsy. When the results appear, click the official Etsy link to go to the site. You'll know you're in the right place if the address bar shows Etsy's secure domain. Once you're on the home page, log in using your usual account credentials. If you use extra verification, complete that as well so you're fully signed in. After logging in, head to your shop manager. This is your main dashboard for everything related to your shop. Inside Shop Manager, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your name there with a small arrow next to it. Click that arrow, then select your profile. This opens the area where you can manage how your profile appears to others. Next, go to the Public Profile tab. This tab controls the parts of your profile that are visible to shoppers and visitors. Here, you should see your current profile picture or a default placeholder if you haven't uploaded one yet. This is the image people will see when they visit your profile or interact with your shop. To change it, select the Choose File option. This will open a window to browse your device. Pick a clear, well-lit image that represents you or your brand. A simple background and a centered subject usually look best. A square or nearly square image tends to crop nicely, and common file types like JPG or PNG work well. If Etsy prompts you to adjust or crop the image, follow the on-screen instructions to frame it the way you want. Aim for a high-resolution photo so it looks crisp on both desktop and mobile. When you're happy with your selection, click Save Changes. Give it a moment to process. Once saved, you should see your new picture appear in the preview on the Public Profile tab. If it doesn't update right away, wait a few seconds or refresh the page. Keep in mind that changes can take a short time to appear across the site. That's it. You opened Etsy, logged in, went to Shop Manager, accessed your profile, switched to the Public Profile tab, chose a new image, and saved. With this quick update, your profile now puts your best face forward for every visitor.